Precious. You can follow me at I Call Shots on Instagram. I'm full of that weed. I ain't even supposed to be smoking, Lord. But anyways, check me out. Now what you know about a boss bitch, huh? You can't tell a boss bitch shit. Nah, I make my own rules. I only got one. Fuck rules, get money, the rest gon' come. I've been doing it and shit, it's 2013. Put money on your head, I doubt, bitch, play with me. I like to count the cheeks in me, I like to get the green. I put a whole eye in tinkles, yeah, I got me. I'm unpredictable, shit, I gotta get it though. Only thing on my mind is how to make cash flow. A realist though, I know it ain't free. I told my daddy, look what the game done did to me. I don't give a motherfucker about nothing. If it ain't about money, then what the fuck we discussing? I fuck money, he love it. Not all in public, I go buy a new purse. Then I spent them as nothing. Get him back with the second, then he back to caressing. I see a pair of new shoes, then it's on to the next one. I'm a cash flow hoe. If you know what that mean, I break a stack back and flip it up to 3 more G's. I hate them CRGs, wanna carry me. When I was broke, I was a joke, now you joking on me. But my shade, you can't see, I got ambition in my eyes. I hurt my mama with this life, but I apologize a million times, I'm sorry. Want a Ferrari, I wanna get a big house and say, yeah, bitch, I bought it, I gotta send him to college. He balled like Iris and always thinking of a master plan to get them dollars. Them bars I swallow, that's a whole nother problem. I like to sip on that lean, and my weed be exotic, I gotta get it, no stain. It's all that or nothing, I send a bitch in your house and leave you only the oven. Bitch, I ain't playing, I'm hustling. I can get real rugged, I'm from that dirty where we came up from much of nothing. I like the street hustling, I call her on the muscle, cause I can get her when I need her, she a ghostbuster. I stick it in her butt, she gon' bust a nut. Then I get a couple $100 by a button up. Bitch, I be cutting up with my pocket stuff. I throw them 20s in your face and you can't get enough. Woo, check me out. This me. At I Call Shots, you hear me? You know, this my lit instrumental. You hear me? I rap to y'all. You go find me at Facebook, Precious Thornton. He might tag me in this video if he put it on there, you hear me? But you know, yeah. You know, like my shit up, you know, woo-to-woo, yeah, I was lit.